Here's Virginia feeding Wendy. Miriam's trying to feed Sam over there. Come on, Sam, you're hungry. Look at Wendy's tail, she's happy.
Is he getting it? Oh, she's definitely getting it. Look at that.
She keeps wagging her tail.
She loves it.
Looks like somebody's having a fight inside. And Sam is drinking. We finally found the answer. We needed a baby bottle. He didn't like the rubber one. There you go, Sam. Good boy.
No, look out. You're making it out of control.
Don't fight, remember. Happy time.